Most people over 60 have no idea that one tiny morning habit can improve leg strength and circulation in just 3 minutes. Want to know what it is? If you're over the age of 60, this one small morning habit can make a huge difference in how your legs feel throughout the day. Whether you experience stiffness, cramps, heaviness, or slow circulation, today, I'm going to show you a gentle, 3-minute routine you can do every morning, right after you wake up, to keep your legs stronger, more flexible, and more energized. This routine is simple, it's safe, and you can do it right from your bed or your chair. But before we begin, it's important to understand why this matters, especially after 60. Why leg problems increase after 60? Simple explanation. As we age, our legs go through 3 major changes. 1. Slower blood circulation. The tiny blood vessels in our legs become less flexible. This means blood doesn't move as quickly as it used to, especially at night. That's why many older adults wake up with cold feet, numbness, or tingling. 2. Muscle loss, sarcopenia. After the age of 60, we naturally lose muscle every year, especially in the legs. Weak leg muscles equals more stiffness, slower walking, and a higher chance of falling. 3. Overnight stiffness. When we sleep, our joints stay still for hours. This causes the leg joints, especially knees and ankles, to feel tight in the morning. The good news? A simple 3-minute routine can wake up your circulation, loosen your joints, and activate your leg muscles safely. And we'll get to the routine in just a moment. But first, let's look at something just as important. The morning foods that hurt your legs, and what to eat instead. This part surprises many seniors. Because some of the foods we eat every morning actually worsen stiffness, swelling, inflammation, and cramps. Let's break down the most common ones, and the healthy swaps that protect your legs. 1. White bread and sweet breakfasts. Foods like white bread, biscuits, muffins, and sugary cereals cause a quick spike in blood sugar. This triggers inflammation, which can worsen joint pain and leg swelling. Eat this instead. Whole grain toast, oats, or millet porridge, all of which keep your blood sugar steady and support muscle energy. 2. Processed meats, sausages, salami, bacon. These contain high sodium, which leads to water retention and leg swelling, especially around the ankles. Eat this instead. Boiled eggs, homemade paneer, Greek yogurt, or a small bowl of mixed nuts for protein without the swelling. 3. Too much tea or coffee on an empty stomach. Caffeine dehydrates your muscles. Dehydrated muscles cramp easily, especially the calves. Do this instead. Drink a full glass of room temperature water before your tea or coffee. This hydrates your muscles and supports circulation. 4. Packaged juices. They may look healthy, but most are loaded with sugar. This increases inflammation in knee joints and makes morning stiffness worse. Drink this instead. Fresh lemon water, warm ginger water, or simple warm water, all great for morning circulation. 5. Margarine and refined oils. These contain unhealthy fats that silently increase inflammation in aging joints. Use this instead. Olive oil, mustard oil, or a tiny amount of pure butter, ghee, all gentle on aging joints. Now that we've covered the foods that can secretly make your legs feel worse in the morning, let's move into the part that will help you immediately, the 3-minute morning leg routine. This routine improves circulation, loosens stiff joints, and activates leg muscles that weaken with age. You can do it sitting on your bed, lying down, or in a chair. Step 1. Ankle pumps, 30 seconds. Purpose: boosts circulation from your feet to your heart. Perfect for cold feet, numbness, morning swelling. Sit comfortably. Stretch your legs out straight. Now gently point your toes forward, then pull them up toward your body, nice and slow. Do this 10 to 15 times. This simple movement wakes up the calf muscles, the second heart of your body, which pump blood upward and prevent heavy, tired legs throughout the day. Many seniors say this one step alone reduces their morning stiffness by half. Step 2. Knee lifts, 30 seconds. Purpose: loosens tight hip joints and strengthens thigh muscles. Perfect for weak legs, slow walking, difficulty standing up. While seated, lift one knee gently toward your chest. Hold for 2 seconds, then slowly lower it. Repeat with the other knee. Do 5 lifts per leg. This activates the hip flexors, essential for walking, climbing stairs, and avoiding falls. If lifting your knee high feels difficult, lift it only a little. What matters is the activation, not the height. Step 3, leg extensions, 30 seconds. Purpose: strengthens quadriceps, front thigh muscles. Perfect for knee pain, getting up from bed or a chair. Sit tall, hold onto the side of your bed or chair, and gently extend one leg forward until it's straight. Hold for 3 seconds, then lower it slowly. Repeat with the other leg. Do this 5 times per leg. This is one of the best exercises to protect your knees after 60. Strong quadriceps equals less pressure on your knee joints. Step 4, ankle circles, 30 seconds. Purpose: improves joint mobility and balance. Perfect for morning stiffness, swollen ankles, instability. Lift one foot slightly off the ground. Slowly rotate it in big circles, first clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Switch to the other foot. This lubricates the ankle joint, supports balance, and reduces the risk of missteps or falls. Step 5, calf squeezes, 30 seconds. Purpose: activates calf muscles for better blood flow. Perfect for leg cramps, restless legs, varicose veins. Place your hands gently around your calf muscle and squeeze lightly. Move up and down with soft pressure for 15 to 20 seconds per leg. This stimulates blood movement and relaxes tight calf muscles. Many seniors say this helps reduce nighttime cramps when done every morning. Step 6, deep leg breath, 30 seconds. Purpose: sends oxygen to muscles, relaxes the nervous system, reduces stiffness. Perfect for tension, morning discomfort, slow circulation. Sit comfortably, place your hands on your thighs, and take one deep breath in through your nose. As you exhale, gently relax your thighs and calves. Do this 5 times. Breathing deeply at the end signals your body to release tension and prepares your legs for the day's movement. Now that you've learned the full 3-minute routine, let's quickly understand why it works, especially for people above 60. Because when you know the science behind it, you'll feel even more confident doing it daily. Why this routine works: simple, senior-friendly science. 1. It activates the second heart, your calf muscles. Your calf muscles act like natural pumps. Every time they move, they push blood back up toward the heart. After 60, these muscles weaken. When they weaken, circulation slows. And slow circulation equals cold feet, swelling, cramps, and heavy legs. The ankle pumps and calf squeezes directly activate this second heart, helping your legs feel light and alive again. 2. It lubricates your joints after a long night of stillness. When you sleep, your leg joints don't move for 6 to 8 hours. They become stiff, like a door hinge that hasn't been used. Movements like ankle circles and leg extensions oil the joints, keeping them flexible. This is why your knees and ankles feel smoother afterward. 3. It rebuilds muscle strength gently. Muscle loss after 60 is real. But you don't need heavy weights to reverse it. Controlled movements, even small ones, send a message to your muscles. Wake up. Grow stronger. Leg extensions and knee lifts activate your thigh and hip muscles safely. These muscles are the foundation of strong walking and fall prevention. 4. It reduces leg cramps naturally. Cramps happen when your muscles are tight, dehydrated, or poorly circulated. This routine. Heavy checkmark improves blood flow. Heavy checkmark releases tightness. Heavy checkmark delivers oxygen to muscles. Heavy checkmark sends signals to relax. This is why many seniors report fewer nighttime cramps when they do this every morning. 5. It prepares you for the entire day. A body in motion stays in motion. When you start your morning with movement, hydration, better circulation, your legs remain stronger and more comfortable throughout the day. This routine sets the tone for your entire morning. Best morning add-ons for strong legs after 60. To make this routine even more powerful, add these simple habits. 1. A glass of warm water. helps prevent muscle cramps and supports circulation. 2. A magnesium-rich food. Great options: banana, almonds, pumpkin seeds, spinach. These relax your leg muscles and reduce stiffness. 3. Omega-3 or healthy fats, such as flax seeds or walnuts. These fats reduce joint inflammation. 4. A 5-minute walk after breakfast. Just walking around your home is enough. It gets your blood flowing and warms up your knees. Final message, a gentle reminder. Your body changes after 60. But that doesn't mean you have to slow down. Small habits, especially morning habits, can add strength, comfort, and confidence back into your legs. If you make this 3-minute routine part of your morning, your legs will truly thank you, not just today, but for years to come. Take care of yourself. Stay strong. And I'll see you in the next video.